Here now is an update on the ongoing COVID-19 situation in the country. 7 people have been arrested in connection with the illegal diversion and administration of vaccines, as the government continues to issue stern warnings against those profiteering from vaccines meant for the public. Kenya today received an additional 459,300 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine from Canada and expects more in the next few weeks. Dorcas Wangira has more.
An additional 459,300 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine from Canada brings to 4,069,900 the number of COVID-19 vaccine doses, with at least 807,660 people, representing about 2.96% of the entire adult population, already fully vaccinated. The latest consignment, which was brought into the country through the COVAX facility, targets an estimated 229,650 more people. The government aims to vaccinate 10 million adults by the end of December 2021.
The donations will certainly go a long, long way.
In scarcity, you cannot do cherry picking. So we, at this time, for example, we want to use Moderna. The people who have not got any vaccine, the first dose should be to people who have not got any vaccine.
Kenya, Canada, and the global community can stop the pandemic cold. Let's keep going.
The Ministry of Health saying that in collaboration with other relevant security agencies, it will ensure that individuals taking advantage of the vaccination process for purposes of political gain, as was the case in Murang'a last month, or profiteering, will be nabbed and face the full force of the law for their acts of omission and commission.
There are at least 7 people have been arrested. I'm aware that we are still hot on the heels of the main principal persons behind this, and one of them being a medical doctor.
The Ruai Specialist Family Hospital has 2 weeks to account for the vaccines issued to the hospital, while the nurse who handled the vaccines, if found culpable by the Nursing Council, will have her license revoked. Kenya is expecting another 4.16 million assorted COVID-19 vaccine doses over the next few weeks. Amongst this is a consignment of Johnson & Johnson expected this coming Friday. This through the government's direct procurement of 2 billion shillings from the African Union for the vaccines. Next week, Kenya also expects another 240,000 doses of the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine worth 240 million shillings procured by the Ministry of Health in collaboration with KEPSA. Monday, Kenya further expects to receive from the United States more Moderna vaccines, and in the coming weeks to receive Pfizer and Sinopharm vaccines from the government of China. Any Kenyan charged for vaccination is charged to report either the facility or health worker to the COVID-19 response line 719 and only go for vaccination at the listed vaccination sites on the ministry's webpage. In the last 24 hours, 970 more people have tested positive for COVID-19. From a sample size of 7,940, the test positivity rate is 12.2%. 1,874 patients are currently admitted in various health facilities. 7 deaths have been recorded. All late deaths bring the fatalities to 4,746. 2,807,945 doses of the vaccine have so far been administered. Dorcas Wangira, Citizen TV, Nairobi.